How to do it doesn't use in very well there. Don't make that better. I think after listening to myself, I think the noise gate is a bit distracting. I'm going to turn the noise gate off. And hopefully that makes me sound better. And hopefully you're not getting the aircon noise. Okie dokie. So it seems to struggle in this full screen thing. Let me just do pip. Pippity pip. I really need a better computer. I really need a better computer. Right now I'm streaming with the MacBook, but maybe it would be better if I was streaming exclusively in my ThinkPad. That would be an interesting test, wouldn't it? Let me just because yeah, this drops it a whole bunch of frames. This MacBook sucks. In fact, I hate this MacBook. Okay, so I was looking at this. B-top. Oh, B-top looks quite cool. Ryzen 7 Pro. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Is anyone with me? Shoot. I still don't know how to view who's watching me. How do I view who's watching me? Videos. Okay, 2 guys watching me. Let me announce on Twitter that I'm doing my thing. Live streaming on YouTube. That's interesting. So if you, I mean, yeah. It's working, isn't it? It's working. Follow me on Twitter if you don't already. Yeah, something like that. Hey, nice screen. Thanks, Charles. Okay. I dare say I've never seen this before. So, is my machine loaded? Is it loaded? Oh, I like this download upload net thing. This is very cool, isn't it? Oh, actually, I should turn off Wi-Fi. What is... if I press A, what happens? Nothing. Is it doing something? Let me, let me... Is this actually working? Menu? It seems to have frozen. Oh, great. Oh, great. Not good. Come on, B-Top. Damn it, you look so good initially, now you don't want to work. Well, that's frustrating. That's frustrating. That's frustrating. Okay, back to B-Top. I mean, back to the program here. TLDR. Oh, I use that. TLDR. It's quite good. I like it. I feel like it would have been so much better if you could have just contributed your own, being a bit more social. But it's not very social, is it? So that sucks. Why doesn't it tell me how many people are viewing me? I also should try stream to Twitch at the same time, because I know some people follow me on Twitch. But whatever. Okay, so there's that. And what else are the tools? SD. I heard about it, but I've never used it. It's just supposed to be a better said. And to be honest, GNU said is a bit of a train wreck, so I can see it quite easily displacing GNU said. Difftastic. Not sure I've ever used that one. But to be honest, I'm pretty I like how boring diff is. I think I probably tried it. MTR, I mean MTR is old. I wish it was better. MTR to 1111. What do your pings look like, guys? Plocate, I'm using that too. XXD, Excel, these are old. Brute. A new way to see and navigate trees. Interesting. I love it that people are actually innovating in this space. Env, well, yeah, I know about that one. Auto jump, of course. I've been using that for a long time. Croc, yep, I know about that. I use that to send big files to friends. Hyperfine. No, what is Hyperfine? Wow, that's quite cool. That's interesting. Didn't know about that. Okay, HTTP pi curly XH I didn't know about. I know about enterer. Do you find it difficult to use though? ASDF. I think I know about that one. TIG. I use TIG. LazyGet. I don't really get it. I mean, It didn't get into it. Lazy Docker, why bother? Choose. Don't know what chooses. Oh, basically, yeah, I can see that happening. C-top for containers. What? What is this for real? I'm not gonna say that on my stream. Hey Joe, do I use ZNC? What's that? Is that for remote desktop management? Okay, this is funny. ZNC. Hey, hello to the Filipino over there. Pinoy? I don't know. Sorry. Hey, Vincent. I'm looking forward to going back to Philippines for any reason at all, really. Just to get out of Singapore. I'm going absolutely mad here. I'm just cooped up. Cooped up in Singapore. And it just gets worse because I got COVID again somehow. Share your terminal with a friend? Honestly, didn't know about this. This might avoid me using tuple. Is it peer-to-peer though? Interesting. It looks like it's a server client thing, not a peer-to-peer thing. That sucks. Okay. Oh, I love tools for managing logs. This LNav. Hey Larry, yeah, I still use Hugo, of course. My blog uses Hugo. And I'm fine with it actually. Kind of. Some things that could be better. I recommend Hugo. I don't know what else is better, to be honest. I'm okay with it. And Joe, I don't need to use an IRC bouncer because I have a very good internet connection. I have a couple of servers here. I have a NUC, so I don't need a bouncer. I'm always on. And yeah, I just started. Oh, thanks, Stardash. I don't know who is Stardash. Oops. Why does my caps lock come back from the dead all the time? Oh, Stardash, you're just whatever. Okay. Okay. I can probably be smart and set a topic. Yeah, I could probably set a description. And oh gosh, how do you do this? Oh, someone's messaged me. Cool. Do you guys join on ISC? I'm more likely to look at that than oh gosh, how do you do this? Oh, the audio sounds great. Thanks, Joe. There. Booms. Great. Okay, so back to looking at tools. LNAV, a log monitor. I would like to show you my logs, but I think I piped my my copy and paste selections to the log, so I don't want you to see them, my passwords and stuff. So sorry, guys. Well, I don't understand why people are kind of keen on working with syslog when JSON structured logs exist. So this doesn't do JSON. Oh, maybe it does. Oh, it. I'm just scared of showing you my journal. Maybe I should just put me on the big screen before trying it out, because I don't want to dox myself. I'm just trying it out first. Ooh. Yikes. Actually, I think I can show this to you. So what I ran was, I first ran this. This shows all the logs. And look at this. It shows the time span, and whoa, it goes crazy. But okay, -B is just from my last boot. And how does it begin? I think this is my latest log. It's quite cute, I think. So you can see here I run barriers between my Mac and my Arch machine. Oh, updated clipboard. Don't show the clipboard though. I don't know what. A fancy log viewer. Does it do any like? I want a log viewer that's able to sort of show me what to basically work with JSON. Huh? Interesting. SQL result view. Wow, this. I like the look of this LNAV. I need to throw it something. Okay. I'm liking that tool. Luke Smith made his book publisher website because of my video? Really? The Stripe video? Oh, did he? Yeah, to be honest, I've had a couple of emails about this project. But I don't actually know of anyone who's set up a store, to be honest. People just say, thank you, great idea, but they don't show me what the store is. 21 stars. All right. Yeah, I'm glad you like it, Larry. But yeah, Shopify. Goodbye, Shopify. Hello, Sanity. And now I feel bad. That was 2 years ago already. I feel like I just did that the other day. Has anyone forked it? Not really, as far as I can tell. Oh, no, no, that's the fork button. No, I don't want to fork it. Show me the forks. How does this work again? Show me the forks. Okay, whatever, I give up. Well, I'm glad people are making use of it. Okay, back to... Okay, I really like that LNAV. I'm going to give that one a star. T-Stack, who's that? Seattle. I like it. Logging for the win. Okay, what's the other log tool that was mentioned here? Angle grinder. Ooh. Well, I like this demo. P50. That's cool. What's this port? What is this written in? Rust, of course. Okay. Why doesn't it use cargo? Okay, I'm going to start that one too. So what are the operators here? So this is like JQ, I guess, but with a little bit more coolness, I suspect. Yeah, it reminds me of Cloud Watch or something. Cloud Insights. And it's got mathematical functions. That's fun. Does it only operate on streams? Anyway, that's cool. I like that. This is cool stuff. Ways to display Markdown on the terminal. Never tried any of these. Let's go to my Hugo blog. And let's have a look at MDP. You know me. So I was committed something earlier today, actually. Be good to get your feedback. Okay, whatever. Oh, did you see that? It had like a... Wow, that looks great, actually. What's the idea with this MDP tool? A command line tool to make presentations in Markdown file. I've never seen this before. This is cool. This is cool. Yeah, because kind of like the idea of this because sometimes showing the web is kind of clunky. Yeah, that's cool. What's the other? Oh crap! What's the other tool? Glow. JLo Glow. What do you do? Asks a Korean, I assume. I'm what do I do right now? Or, like for work? What do I do? By day, I'm employed as like a consultant. And my hobby is messing around with YouTube, making tutorial. I don't know what do I do. I'm just trying to have fun, I guess. Trying to be social while being sick. Try to share knowledge. Try to get knowledge from you guys, actually. So please, please don't be afraid of commenting and just being social. Oh, and join my IRC channel on Libera. What? Okay, so this is the rendering of MDP. It's centered. And this is the reading of glow. You know, when I'm writing, I find it very interesting to read what I published. Rendered, of course. And then I find it really interesting to like read it from my mobile, because like every time I interact just with some text on different form factors, different screens, I find that I almost read it kind of differently. So what's my point here? My point here is that this glow just gives me just another way of looking at the document without just penning, which I think has some value. This is a blog I wrote earlier today, and if anyone does pipelines, I appreciate some comments. Okay, next tool I'm checking out. Yeah, I used that already. Yeah, I know that one. Don't know that one. Well, that one sounds kind of boring though. I'll probably just use Z. Do you guys know about ZX? No. Do you guys know about Google ZX? This is a very cool tool. Very cool tool for working with JSON, YAML, all sorts of things, and the shell. And FQ for binary? What? Didn't know about that. From Burnt Sushi. Burnt Sushi sounds familiar, but I don't know why. Couldn't he find a better picture? Yeah, cool. PDF grep, I knew about that. Rep grep. Make JSON greppable. Not sure what that means. I mean, just doing queries on it, right? Sounds like the angle grinder thing. Pipe Feeder, yep, I knew about that. By Joey Hess. Julia Evans. Good post. Gonna bookmark that. Da, da, da. Oh, she makes those like quite fun diagrams. Cool. Okay, I've done my tool exploration. Hey Larry, what would I recommend for web shops, e-commerce? I think there's a new Stripe checkout thing, isn't there? Stripe checkout. Like, oh my God, they have a stupid name for it. Let me look in my email inbox without showing you guys. So Stripe, I think, contacted me to do a beta test, but I never ended up doing it. And the idea with the Stripe thing was that you could just give someone a URL and and then they could pay for it. So that's the kind of thing that I was trying to do with my e-commerce thing. What was the e-commerce thing called? Shopfront. Basically, the idea is I want to give you a URL and you just pay and then it's done, you know. But at that URL, it shows the product, it shows the video, it shows the picture, it shows the sizing, it shows all the details of the product. So I just wanted to keep it simple because e-commerce is just a right mess, isn't it? So, oh shoot, I wasn't even showing you. Shopfront. Okay, I'm looking back at my email trying to find the product that Stripe was trying to get me to test. And I can't remember what the name was of their product, which oh my God. Oh, it's called Stripe Payment Links. Duh. So this is one of the cases where I asked the company for this feature and they bizarrely implemented. Okay, maybe not my suggestion solely, you know, but they went and implemented what I asked for. They came back to me and say, hey, we implemented this for you. Now you can try it. And then I never tried it because I was busy or something. I don't know. But this is great. It's exactly what I was kind of thinking of. Start now. Okay, I have to log in and all that jazz. Oh, Joe, you're asking about my new camera. I think it's looking great. I mean, I don't have the light on. Usually I have the light on. And to be honest, it would be better with my light, but I'm just feeling a bit sensitive right now. So I feel vulnerable. So I don't want the light on. Yeah, Larry. Stripe should pay me some money for pushing people their way or something. Okay, I'm logged in. This is a production account. Ooh. Can I go to? Am I in the sandbox here? Yeah. Okay, let me add a new product. Support my YouTube channel. $1 recurring every day. Collect customers' addresses, require customers to provide a phone number, include a free trial. Interesting. This is the preview. Okay. Let's okay, never mind my web converger branding. Let's try it. Which account? Split the payment with a connected account. No connected accounts found. How much should your business keep? I don't know what that was about. So that's what the URL looks like. Okay. Let's try that in an incognito window. Yeah, it's pretty simple. I wonder if I could create more than one product in the link there. Because ideally, I would like the kind of interaction I want was like I would be, you know, want to buy my fruit and veg, and I tell the fruit monger, the fruit seller, to say, hey, just send me a link. Let me have a look at what you've chosen from me, and test mode, and then I'll, you know, pull the trigger. Start selling fast. No, so can I put more than one product? Okay, headphones. Oh yeah, you can. Mangoes. 12 one time. Let customers adjust quantity. Wow, that's cool. Because then I can say, nah, those mangoes look good, man. Let me put 5. Oh, wow. That's cool. But how does it work with recurring? Like, let's say, just you know, membership of the fruit club is $10 a month. Wow, so you can mix one-time things with a membership. Wow, this is really powerful, I feel. So yeah, in my dream world, which doesn't exist, my fruit seller guy would send me a link, and I go, those mangoes do look good today. I'll have 5. You know, he'll like, there'd be a pun at strawberries. I'd be like, Actually, those strawberries a bit meh. I'll just go for one of them just to limit my damage. Yeah. Let me just create that link. I just want to see what it looks like. I don't understand this connected account thing. Whatever. So this, let me just put here. Oh God. Let me just create the link. I think the easiest way for me to open this link up on my mobile is to test payment link. Bookmark. And then on my phone, oh, here's my phone. Okay, let's have a look at this on my phone. If there's nothing else. Cool. Apple Pay. The trouble here is that, okay, so this is what you see, and then if you want to see details of what you're paying for, you have to click the details up here. And there's no pictures, but okay, maybe I just didn't add the pictures. Just feels a bit hidden for me. For me, I wanted to maybe have a different type of experience, but not bad, I guess. So I just noticed that something on my lens. But yeah, this is a payment link. I kind of like it. Kind of like the idea. I got to show this to my friend. But still, my friend who has a shop. I guess the big problem is that because yeah, like usually whey fruit. Hey Vincent, still new to development. We'll learn how to use IRC. Made 2 projects in JS at the moment, I think. Your vid, Kai, is gem on YouTube. Thanks. Glad you like it. Which vid? Any vids? All the vids? Okay. I want to get back to maybe having a break. Luke Smith. Does he use my tool? What did I call this thing again? I call it Shopfront. To be honest, I don't watch every Luke Smith video, so Luke Smith YouTube. Yeah, let's have a look at his website. Is he running? Is he selling a book using lindypress.net? SG? What's SG mean? Oh, that's my country. Well, I don't think he's using. Is he using Hugo? This doesn't look like my code. Or does it? Maybe he's just using the idea. I think he's using the same JavaScript thing as I was. How does this work again? Cart. Yeah, but what's UMD? That's Bootstrap. There's a bit of stuff going on here. What is the maybe it's application? Okay, he's using Stripe. Okay, but how is he? I want 2 of these. How is he storing this? Oh wait. Is it all in the cookie? Session storage? Anyway, it doesn't really matter. I'm glad he's selling, got a product and he's selling it. I wish I was back there. Yeah. This stuff looks pretty hard, pretty esoteric. But interesting. I don't really have much time to do any reading or anything. Just busy trying to, I don't know, do my thing. Just be good at work and at YouTube and stay fit. I don't really have time to expand my horizons. Yeah. Okie dokie. So, what next? What next? I wanted to do some Auth0 type stuff. Da, 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 da. Ooh. Didn't mean to show you that. I don't want to show you my WhatsApp either. I'm just trying to get in the mood. Trying to get in the mood to do something. He's rewriting. Oh, okay. Okay, interesting, Larry. Thanks for the tidbit. Sharing ideas is what we do. Oh yeah. Nice one, Vincent. I'm glad you like Plan 9. Well, I would like to revisit Plan 9 actually. Like read one of the white papers and just explore the code and run the code. But I haven't done that. So I'm looking for a video to reply to an email. I think the video was something to do with how I manage my screens, but I can't remember what video this was. What? I made a video about how I manage this. Wait. I made a video. Sorry, I'm trying to remember. I made a video about how was it this one? I made a video when I demonstrated a render and how I managed to capture my screen. But now actually I just can't remember doing that. Maybe I didn't make that video. Crikey. Okay. Just replying to an email from a viewer. How do you manage hot swapping displays? Yes. I use a render. I thought I made a video about it, but to be honest, I can't find it. Thanks for watching. Do please email with any ideas. I need inspiration. Inspiration. I just feeling like I just want to hang out more than do anything. And unfortunately, this YouTube streaming thing does feel a bit one way. What Wi-Fi equipment do I use? I use Ubiquiti. I upgraded to Wi-Fi 6. I can show you, perhaps. I'm running like a Ubiquiti. This is one thing I hate about Ubiquiti. It kind of sucks. Sorry. Oh, I'm not sharing my password, am I? I'm not going to share my password there because that would be really bad. I'm very scared about shit. Why doesn't it remember my password? Oh no. User. Sorry, I'm trying to find the password to my my goddamn Ubiquiti controller. It's so sad. And like you can't even access this. This is all on my private land, so it's like I don't actually care about this. Okay, it's working. So welcome to Kai's home network configuration, and essentially it's mainly this bad boy, this Wi-Fi 6 thing, and yeah, it's Ubiquiti. It's pretty good. But I also use MikroTik, but this is outside my condo, so that I can get Wi-Fi on at the pool. Oh, this zooms in and out. Okay, enough of that. Right, I want to focus on Alt0. Oh, what? Sorry, I wasn't showing my. Sorry, I wasn't showing you my my Wi-Fi. This is what I use. Sorry, this whole pip thing is. Yeah, I think Ubiquiti stuff is the best. And by the way, you don't need to buy through a reseller nowadays. Like if you just go to Ubuntu store Singapore, there's probably a store. Yeah, go to store.ui.com. You can just buy things direct from them. And there's actually a bit of a shortage of supply, so you just kind of want to get it from the horse's mouth, so to speak. I wouldn't buy the light one because the performance is not that great. I've got the long range one, or just get the pro, whatever. I don't know where. Their website is kind of difficult to navigate. Like this is what you would normally want to go to, and I would recommend you buy this one. This is the best, but it's sold out. So that sucks. Yeah, the design is good. I mean, the performance is great with the Ubiquiti. So in my network, some people are using Wi-Fi 6. Not many. It's all green. It's all good. In my networking hood. Okay, so just trying to focus on I want to focus on something I'm developing. Yeah, I mean the Ubiquiti, I mean the microtik stuff is kind of fine, but I think Ubiquiti just has that 10%, 20% extra performance, which is really nice. Just looking at my stats. Is this smooth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I can't go. Okay, what am I doing? I am looking at Auth0 discourse. To be honest, I don't really like JWT and all that stuff, but I'm just going along for the ride. Yeah. So what I want to develop is this sort of like system so that you know who's on duty and who isn't, like a first responder type thing. But the trouble is with Auth0 and all these sort of things, people can sign in and you don't really know if the session is active. So I really miss PHP because, man, PHP sessions was just so beautifully simple. And if the PHP session was active, then you kind of know the user was active. But in 2022, especially with the JWT things, the session is kind of in two places: your app, but then it's authoritatively in Auth0. And essentially, long story short, you don't know if the user's logged in or not. So that's where I'm at. Let me just Okay, that looks like a typo. I love Git because you can make little mistakes like this and it's easy to find the problem. Sorry guys, I must apologize, but I find it easier to look at Markdown using code. What is that F? There you are. Doesn't even show up very well. Okay, whatever. Back to the README. Okay. I've put a crazy amount of time in this already. Well, I can't even say what I learned. Can I? Don't know what I'm talking about half the time. What is this about? I linked to a 53-minute video. I don't know what I was thinking when I did that. Yeah, I need to ask if the Auth0 server could be in Singapore. I think that's a bug in the code. Ah. Can I tell how many users are logged in? Yes, by managing the sessions. The sessions perhaps. In DynamoDB. I don't know the answer to that one. Auth0 server location. Maybe there's something in here I didn't never. You can now set the tenant environment tag. Yes, how do you change location? Region. Can I change the region? Auth0 region locations. Oh. Japan, Australia. Okay. Activity first. What does this mean? First availability. Does that mean I'm the lucky user? I'm not a huge fan of pipeline. Oh wow. Someone tried my app, I guess. Yeah, I'm just trying to get in the mood to try this again. Trying to work out what I want to get out of this. I think I just need to plan this. Best not plan it on a YouTube channel. I think I've streamed enough today. For 1 hour, that was exhausting. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for keeping me company. I'm gonna take a break.